before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure -0.21. Highlights -100. Shadows +9. Whites -95. Blacks +20. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. Go to color mix. And done. Go to color. Temp +4. Tint +6. Go to grading. Slide down, shadows. Hue 226. Saturation 5. Blending 100. Glance 2. Slide up, go to next grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 59. Saturation 12. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Go to orange color. Saturation -15. Go to yellow color. Saturation -78. Luminance +16. Go to green color. Saturation -54. Luminance plus 48. Go to aqua color. Hue minus 60. Saturation minus 85. And done. Go to effects. Clarity minus 17. Dehaze plus 14. Vignette minus 13. Midpoint 25. Feather 100. Slide down. Roundness plus 29. Grain 20. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 72. Noise reduction 15. Contrast 17. Go to Profiles. Select Artistic 2:100. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.